Hi guys, this is Itish. You know me as Delhi Cars on Instagram, and welcome to the YouTube channel. So today with us we have one of the craziest Mustangs in India, and to know more about this, check out the video. Hi Captain, welcome
Hi,
to Delhi Cars Ventures,
thank
and
you.
thank you so much for taking out your time and being a part of this. Please introduce yourself to the audience.
Hello, guys. This is my first time with Delhi Cars on this video, and myself is Captain K. As per Insta, people used to call me Captain. That is my nickname. You can also call me Captain or Captain K.
Okay, so Captain, firstly, I would like to know why did you choose to buy a Mustang? Why not other models as compared to this? Like you could have gone for a Z4 or a
Right?
Porsche Boxster or Cayman maybe, but why did you choose a
Exactly.
Mustang and when did you buy it?
Actually, I'm a muscle car fan
Hmm.
since long time, and this is the car which is the first muscle car being launched since 1967. And after the Need for Speed craze, and this is the one which is the most craziest muscle car ever till
Makes
now.
sense.
And fan following and passion and creativity among the people regarding this car towards this car is amazing. It's absolutely different. So that's how me also got connected to this one. And from the beginning itself, I've been into more over the muscle car. Like I started my career with Safari Decor.
Oh, awesome.
uh, that was my first car. So that time I could have bought XUV,
Hmm.
XUV 500, 700 and
Hmm.
all that. But I went for,
That was your choice.
yeah, that was my choice. I went
Right.
for Safari Decor.
So I
So
think this suits your personality as
this
well,
suits
right?
my personality, and I love these kind of muscle car, heavy cars with heavy engines, heavy sound, and that is my adrenaline. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay, great, great. Okay, so Captain, tell me about the mods that you've done on this car. The exhaust, the cosmetic parts, everything I'd like to know. What all have you done and why those mods specifically?
Yeah, so these are Army Tricks exhaust, and these are without the tips because these are with the flame kit from the Flexel. And these are specifically Armitrix, and I wanted Armitrix because it is with three modes: valve functions by remote, and that is the smart mode, beast mode, and neighbor mode. So smart mode is basically auto mode, and if I put in on auto, basic on the base on the RPM, it will adjust the valves. And beast mode is the valve will be open, and we'll be having the normal pops and banks while running. And neighbor mode is like, without disturbing a neighbor basically. So it is like a silent mode. You want to drive silent, so you can drive silent. Even people will not come to know that you are, holding them with a Mustang. So that is basically, that's why I loved Armitrix, because the quality and all these functions are the best in this. So this is with the exhaust. Second is with the spoiler. This is also aftermarket spoiler being installed. After this, the rear grille. This is also being installed just to prevent the sunlight and to have some privacy behind. This is also with the grills. And here we come. This is with complete original imported Shelby kit, GT500. And this is an imported one, original GT500 kit for Mustang. So all these headlights, if you are seeing, these are all DRLs, ROX DRS 2023 headlight. This is not a stock headlight. This is a 2023 ROX headlight with DRLs installed, and these are having 7 different colors, and it can be controlled with an app. This tail light is also X630. These are also, if you see, these are curved. So normal Mustang tail lights, stock tail lights are parallel like this, but these are curved. These are also 2023 S630 tail lights with DRLs installed. So these are also having a different DRL. I have control over here as well for the DRL. There is a switch inside. This is a switch. This is for the left, and I also have for the right. It's almost the same, and it can be controlled by the application also. So I can change the color, whichever color I want, and I can also change the mode so that it can automatically fluctuate. So this is regarding the exterior part. And okay, so next one is regarding the hood. So I'll just open the boot and open the hood. I mean, I'll just open the hood. Now hood opening is from the left side. See, and I'll tell you why it is on the left side, because most of the cars always have on the right side. सब right side से हुड ओपन होता है, बट इसका लेफ्ट साइड से होता है, बिकॉज दिस इज अमेरिकन अमेरिकन कार, बेसिक अमेरिकन कार है जिसका लेफ्ट साइड पे, तो इट हैज़ बीन कन्वर्टेड टू द राइट साइड ड्राइव मोड, बट इसका ये हुड ओपनर जो है वो लेफ्ट साइड में। तो लेफ्ट साइड में ओपन करने के बाद यहाँ से हम इसको ओपन करेंगे एंड यू कैन हैव अ लुक ऑन द V8 5.0 इंजन। एंड दिस इज़ अ ग्रिल आई बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट। ये मैं बता रहा था कि ये जो ग्रिल है बेसिकली लोगों को ऊपर से देखने में लगता होगा कि अरे इसमें पानी चला जाता होगा एंड ऑल डैट, कि ये पानी जाएगा, इंजन गर्म है, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। यहाँ से कवर होता है, ये वेंचुरी इफेक्ट होता है यहाँ पे, यहाँ से हवा अंदर नहीं आती। यहाँ से क्या होता है, ऊपर से जब गाड़ी स्पीड में चलती है तो हवा वहाँ से वेंचुरी इफेक्ट से हीट यहाँ से सक करती है, तो यहाँ से जो भी हीट है वो डेसिपेट्स होती है बेसिकली। नथिंग कम्स इनसाइड बट इट गोज आउटसाइड, एंड दिस इज द इंसुलेशन पार्ट, and this is a modified turbocharger area, and this is a 5.0 V8 engine. Yeah, so these are the ambient lighting being installed over this side and over that side, and it can also be controlled by the remote. I can adjust the brightness, I can adjust the pattern, everything can be adjusted. So normally the partner who was sitting with me, especially the female, they'll used to love it. Yeah, so additional feature is music system. It is being installed with complete amp, woofer and speakers, everything. The complete sound system is being modified in this car, including the speakers. So when I park my car somewhere or when I'm on the road, you know, people try to get close as much as possible in an unsafe way, and they try to just invade it on
They
it.
rash drive
Rash
sometimes just to
driving,
follow you and click
just to
pictures.
follow me, and sometimes overtaking and trying to race with me. And when I'm parking in a mall parking or somewhere in the open parking, and people are leaning onto it
Without your
and when I used
permission.
to without my
I'm
permission,
sure that
so
bothers
it makes
you,
a bit of uncomfortable to me, but that's how, you know, people react to the supercars in India.
Yeah,
So
makes
this is-
sense. Fair. And
yeah.
what about the roads? You know,
Yeah,
like,
road conditions and the challenges regarding this Mustang. This is actually being rushed to tuned with the suspension, so that's why the ground clearance is a bit higher. So I don't face that much of an issue on the speed breakers and on the tough terrains.
So have you taken this to road trips or long drives?
Yeah, recently I've been to Jaisalmer from Delhi and then to Kutch, run of Kutch and all that.
Okay.
In 3,000 kilometer run,
Right.
up and down, and I faced plenty potholes and breakers and all that, but she was okay. Also, when we used to
So
drive
this is
this car,
practical for Indian roads, you're saying? That's
yeah,
what you're
it's all
saying.
about your driving style. Yeah,
Okay.
if you know how to drive this cars on the low end areas, you can make it easy, because I've also I've taken like Mustang on Rotang, and you know, my
awesome.
AMG.
Right.
My other cars, Hile 45 AMG to Kashmir,
Okay.
Gulmarg, Sonmarg, in the snow. The
So
snow
you
was
love
about
driving.
this.
You're passionate about it.
Yeah,
That's why I'm sure you find it practical.
so
also.
yeah, it's
Apart from the little challenges that
Little
every
challenges.
car owner, I'm sure, faces in India.
right.
But you're saying that this is a very practical car.
This is a very practical car. People can actually drive these cars, but the only thing is that you have to love the car when you're
Right.
driving.
Right.
You cannot do rash driving.
Right.
So you have to love the car. Car will love you. It will not give you a problem. Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. So regarding the maintenance, I'd like to know what is your, how do you maintain the car?
Yeah, maintenance is not that much of an issue, but being an American car, you know, sometimes if you need some major parts or some major modification in the car, for that you need to get it imported. Otherwise, other than that, it's okay.
Okay, so Captain, tell me about your most memorable drive with the car.
All right, so there are actually many memorable drives, but I'll just shorten it up. My favorites are, recently I've been to Jaisalmer.
Okay.
There was no plan to drift the car. कोई plan नहीं था कार को drift करने का.
Hmm.
एक कैजुअल सा शूट करने का प्लान था मेरा जैसलमेर में. बट एक्चुअली में कैमरामैन मुझे इतनी अच्छी लोकेशन पे लेके गया जहाँ पे इतने सारे विंड मिल्स थे एंड आई हैड अ ओपन ग्राउंड. एकदम अमेजिंग, दैट वाज अमेजिंग प्लेस. सो इट वाज वेरी टेम्पटिंग. सो दैट्स
Right.
हाउ आई बीन ड्रिफ्टिंग ओवर देयर विद दिस बीस्ट. And another one I been to Kutch, Ran of Kutch. वो भी just I been over there to have a look around in the Kutch and Bhuj area with my family. But वहाँ पे when I been to this Roads of Heaven, oh that was amazing. So that's how I had a shoot also at two places. You can check on my Instagram.
Right. His
That is one
Instagram is
Jaisalmer.
mentioned in the
Yeah.
description below. Please check out his Instagram. You'll find the video.
Yeah.
Okay, so Captain, any advice for those who are planning to buy their first sports car in India?
Yeah, right. My advice will be, stay focused, work hard, and be ambitious. That's how you can achieve whatever you want in your life. And at last, I just want to say that zindagi na mile dobara. So live your life and have some balance in life. You should have some balance, like to enjoy as well as to save. This is how it goes.
Right, right. All right, Captain. Thank you so much for your time once again. Thank you very much. It has
Thanks,
been
buddy.
a pleasure shooting with you.
Yeah, welcome. All right.
So guys, I hope you like this video. This was a ownership review, and a big thanks to Captain for taking out his time. And stay tuned for more such videos on Delhi cars. Thank you.